Take a rest, take a rest. Take a rest.
I'm thirsty. I need water.
Water?
Yes. Please, can you help me take a cup of water? I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I need water.
I want you!
I was thirsty. I needed water to drink.
Let's go! This way!
Akpabio! Akpabio! Na Mayoko. Mayoko ka nna enye gị. Abalị ihwe! Mayoko ka nna enye unu. Ọ nwanne ozu na nso ozu alụ. Nnukwu mmadụ bụ nnukwu alụsị. Ọ bụ na mmadụ ahụrụ ayara pi mmụọ n'osisi na mmadụ bụ mmụọ. Ana m anụ ife unu na-ekwu. Akwa ọkụkụ adịghị etiwa akụ na akwa ọkụkụ tiwa akụ n'ife dị bụ ofu ya emelele. Ọkụkụ ka nji. Ana m asị unu nke a bụ ọkụkụ nji eso n'unu. Abụghịzi agbagharịa ọ ife dị mmadụ dike. Ọbara ụla. The reason I gathered you here is to inform you that the gods of our fathers are happy with us. Over the moon seasons, we've been so faithful in servicing the gods of this land and appeasing them at the same time. The reason we are having bountiful harvests.
Okay.
We have all crops to eat. No woman or man from this kingdom has fallen sick without finding solution. We cannot identify a barren woman from this kingdom. We are bearing both male and female, all because of the appeasements that we've been doing over the moon season to the gods of this land. The Great Awam Festival is coming up in the next 60 market day. And we must be prepared. Individually, we are required to do individual ritual before Great Awam Festival comes up. And of course, the custom demands that we must provide 15 virgins for the sacrifice. These and many more are what we are required to do before the Awam Festival is here. As you return to your huts, also inform your family members. I will also inform the town crier to spread this message to the entire kingdom. You must be prepared for this Awam festival. First, the individual ritual that is required must be performed individually. This is the reason I called all of you here. We do not need to fail. We have never failed before. Exactly. That is all for now. Igwe!
Mama, let's do fast and go home, please. I'm very hungry. I want to go.
No, ma, you and food. Eh? We've not done anything. You want to go home and eat. Will you bend down and walk? Huh?
You are always complaining. Eh? We have a lot to do in this farm. Have you thrown those things there?
Yes, Papa.
I'm tired now, but I'm tired. Mama, I'm coming. Let me go and use myself.
I hope you are not trying to dodge.
Cherukwa, Norma has stayed too long in the nothing. Nnamdi.
Yes, Mama.
Go and look for your sister.
Okay, Mama. Mama, Papa, Norma is nowhere to be found.
How do you mean?
What? Did you check everywhere?
Have you checked the bush?
Mama.
What must have happened to her? Pardon me. Wait. Where did you check? I checked everywhere. I checked everywhere.
Mama.
What have we done to you people of Ohanze? Why do you keep intimidating and oppressing us? Why?
You must leave us alone! Leave us alone!
I'm sad. Igwe, I'm very, very sad. Very sad. It is disheartening that we'll be here, the people of Ohanze, who come here and adopt our maidens and use them for sacrifice. Without thinking these people are humans like them. It is annoying.
To be honest with you, in fact, it has been giving me sleepless nights. Why is it that right from the days of our forefathers till now, we are not yet able to put an end to this nonsense from these people?
Our youths are not living up to the expectation. I wish a day will come when they shall all wake up from their slumber and correct this nonsense that is happening in this kingdom.
Did you listen to yourself? Did you hear yourself? You were once a youth. And this operation started before you were born. Maybe even before your fathers were born. So you know you would have done something. Why haven't you done anything about it till now?
What is wrong with you? What is your business in what he has said now?
I wanted to ask him the same question.
When he said what he said, did he call your name? Why are you like this?
Has he gotten to that? Are you his defender?
Respect yourself.
You respect yourself.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Enough.
Igwe, I'm sorry.
I called you here so we can provide solution to the matters arising. I didn't call you to come here to argue. What is it?
Our daughter has been abducted, Igwe.
What?
Hey, Igwe,
Hey, how did it happen?
Igwe, this morning I went to the farm with my family. My daughter said she wanted to ease herself. She left. We waited for about 5 hours. Igwe, till now, my daughter have not returned. Hey!
If you were your daughter. Hey! Alume, this is
Igwe, please do something. Do something.
Just exactly what we are discussing here. Hey. Gods of my ancestors. What have we done to deserve this? We need your intervention. Things are no longer the same. Things are getting worse. Gods of my ancestors, come to help us. Guards, take with you the other guards and go in search of her.
Where would someone run to safe? Yeah? We don't have virgins in our community anymore. The people of Ohanze have finished all our virgins.
Are you talking about running? I'm not going anywhere. This is my community. I am staying. Wait, oh. wait. Are you in any way implying that you're no more a virgin?
So, you're asking me? You wanted to use me for sacrifice, Okwaya?
That is not an excuse.
It's not an excuse.
It's not an excuse to lose your virginity.
It's not an excuse. So you wanted to adopt me? Is that what you're trying to tell me? It's enough excuse. Even if they adopt me, I trust myself. The gods will vomit me.
Vomit you?
Yes, now.
Dead or alive?
Alive, of course.
Please, let's just be praying that our gods continue to protect us. Because for me, I'm really scared. This whole thing is getting out of hand. Eh? It's getting out of hand.
I just hope so.
This food is too small. How can you give all this little food?
The gods will judge all of you. How can you take us to your farm to work for you and give for this kind of food? This small quantity of food. Gods of our land, please save us from this dungeon and take us back to our people.
Shut up! All of you. One more word from you again. We will join your ancestors. Rubbish.
Let's just manage it, okay? It's okay, but let's manage it. Let's manage. Where is it? I manage it, huh?
Water!
Water!
You need water? Come now! I don't want to hear your voice today.
Ababia, Ibo Lubu, in a new Natuto. Abarife, Agu Buluchi Blaja, Bugwana Tegu, Rioji Gaga no one can be a robber. Wabilo, Ezamilo, Nabalo, as an alpha goes out before me. If you do then a cook and one, no, if a morning cook and mother, no, as in the Kalanka, Bowie or Lego. I be a woman or walk.
May you live long.
Why is your face looking so?
Father, something bothers me. And I would love to discuss it with you.
You have my attention.
Father, it's about the traditions of the land. Father, can't something be done about it?
We have custom and we have tradition. Which is your emphasis?
The virgins. The virgins we're about to sacrifice to the gods. Father, that's very inhumane and barbaric.
Shut up! How dare you make such careless statement against the tradition and the culture of our people? Do you want to cure the wrath of the gods upon yourself? This tradition have been there before our fathers, and there is nothing you can do on anyone else to change it.
Father.
Let me have your hands. These fingers. The mouth do not need to bite these fingers, so are the people from this kingdom. We have bunch full of harvests. No woman living with a man is barren. No kingdom have ever challenged us for battle and won. All these smiles on the faces of the people living in this kingdom is because we have not beaten the fingers of the gods. The virgins you are talking about are people living for away kingdom. What is your problem?
Father, sometimes I wonder if I am truly your daughter. You're wicked, callous, without conscience. These are people's children.
Next time you come in this disposition, I'll forget that you're my only child and strangle you.
What will you do if one day I fall into the hands of captors?
I need to be left alone. I said, leave now!
You did not close the leg very well. You didn't close the leg very well. Yeah, 10%. How can someone be this sorrowful?
After she left her adopted parents, the greatest wonder of our community, she never talk or play with anybody.
I know.
I pity her.
Come to think of it, why have the witches of Ohanze Kingdom not discovered her yet?
That is unfair.
What is unfair?
Don't talk about people like that.
Please!
Have you gone to ask her what her problem is? It's unfair.
So I'm supposed to go and ask her what her problem is? So you want to teach me how to is good and what is wrong?
Don't judge a book by its cover. It's unfair.
Here.
It's unfair.
Abeg, please, let's continue what we are doing.
I've told you.
Are you still playing or not?
I've told you my own. Let's play, I've told you.
Please. Tempe.
I am going to see the Igwe. It is high time we brought a solution to this thing that is going on in this kingdom. Our maidens are no longer free. Even to go to the streams and fetch firewood or water is no longer possible because of the recent happenings in this kingdom. So, that's our council. Like I said, do you have anything to say?
You're on point. You said it all. Yes.
Oh well, I am very, very comfortable with what you said. But my problem is that I don't know what Metu has in mind. I don't know what he's talking about when he told me something. Let me tell you.
What did I tell you? Huh? You again, what did I tell you? Have you entered my mind? You said I told you. I did not tell you anything. I did not tell you anything. Okay, let me say it. I'm not afraid of you. Let me say it.
Go ahead and
yes,
say
I say that I just want to carry my family out of this community to my maternal home. That's what I just said. Yes, I said it. And I meant it.
You see? Cowards die many times before they are dead.
Do I blame you? Do I blame you? Why you say this? Because, you think we don't know? Do you have maternal home?
If you say that thing again, what happened in 1938 will repeat itself here and now.
What happened there? You think? Can't sit down. You will not do anything. You will not do anything. I said you will not do anything. You think you can intimidate me? Who are you? Doggy pieces now. Do you have muscle? Look at it. Look at him. Look at. You're not shame of yourself. Can you imagine?
People will laugh at us because if elders like us can speak like this on the side of this road, then what do you think of us?
Habriya, let him be washing his teeth with his saliva. Don't worry, I know what to do.
No, I said no. You want to hit him? Eh?
Atakpo mmiri ọlụ nwanne mmiri ọlụ ụwa m edo ka nna ịbalụ gị nne atụla analụgo ebili ude na-asụ orukwo n'ọgbọ na-asị ka obi gị dododo ya ka rudo oyi ka m nwa na-ekwu ife ude ọfọ Omenike, why are you shouting as if there is thunder in the sky?
Ofo, he disappeared.
What? Did he touch the staff?
Yes, Your Majesty. Ofo touched the staff in your room and he disappeared.
I told them never to touch the staff that is only meant for the kings on a special assignment. But they would not listen. It is meant for special assignments for the kings. I saw Ofo here. He's just being stubborn. But not to worry. He will return. I just pray to the gods that he do not go far off. But he will return.
But father, the staff is an ancestral staff. You shouldn't have kept it carelessly.
Whatever that is in my chamber is confidential. Ofo is just being stubborn.
Father, I hope he returns.
I need both of you to leave now. Leave.
Ọbara gbagokwa mmụọ n'anya ya. Ọbara gbagokwa na mmụọ n'anya ya. Asama lobogo, yeah. Asama lobogo, yeah. Asama lobogo, yeah.
From the jungle of Nweredoko comes calling for blood. So long as I'm the base of the threshold of the night owls, the cracks from the walls of the birth. By this defiance, I was made a king. This season, I am to feed the threshold of the wooden slapdash gods. You must go in twos and trace with other gods. Omenike,
Your Highness.
you and other gods are to capture 15 virgins of Nkwago people in readiness of this ritual. The dance of the water is not for the people living on a dry land. It is only the vulture that hears the voice of the carcass. Go.
Your Highness.
Go.
Ọkwa nwanne ozu na-asa n'ozu alụ ehihie. Ọkwa nnukwu mmadụ bụ nnukwu alụsị. Ọ bụ na mmadụ anwụ agara pi mmanụ osisi na mmadụ bụ mmụọ ụnala nnukwu ọnụ mmụọ.
This must be the princess of Ohanze. The witches and wizards of Ohanze. The daughter of the witch, Ohanze. Sorry. Where am I? You are safe. You'll be fine, okay? But first, you need to rest. Okay? Come. You're safe, don't worry.
Your heart is like devil's heart. It will be so.
Egwu tụwadị wara nọ ya egbukwa ome. Nye ka nna Jesu agha sị na onye na ya ama nga.
Igwe!
Atakpo?
Igwe! 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 Igwe!
Igwe, my daughter, the princess is missing.
What do you mean the princess is missing? Is she not in her hut?
I thought she was.
Then why am I hearing that she's not in her hut?
I thought she left with her friends to play yesterday. I thought she came late. Only to find out now that she didn't come home last night.
Where is her maid? Olako.
Olako!
Olako!
Neil!
My king.
Where is my daughter?
She hasn't returned.
Are you not supposed to be with her? What is your duty?
It's to follow her around.
So?
I went with her yesterday. I was waiting for her by your chambers. When she went inside, searching for something, and never came out.
What? Ah!
I'm surprised she isn't back.
Ah! Omanika! Omanika!
She went into your chamber yesterday. And now she's missing.
My chamber? My chamber.
Ah! You're such a brave and strong woman. I see a lioness. I see a warrior. I see a woman who is determined and focused to achieve her dreams. You're a strong woman. You're a complete woman. The son of Ohanze! Those words just made me stronger. Thank you. Let me just sweep. No. My princess. You can't do that. You're royalty. I won't let you do that.
No, it doesn't matter.
It matters, please. Thank you. Please. Call me UGONWANYI. Yes. Okay. My name is Dimma.
Dimma. Nice name.
You have a nice name too.
Thank you.
Please. No, please. Please go in and rest. Or let me get something to eat. You must be hungry. Please. Or you can just sit here.
Dimma, thank you.
Please sit down.
Search everywhere for her. Move! Move!
What?
She in? Move! 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 Move!
Wait! Go!
The king demands our presence in the palace.
Dimma!
Move it! Move!
The birthmark on your thigh was given to you by your own mother.
How do you mean?
I remember that fateful day.
Right back. Return. Action.
You are a twin.
And twins are forbidden in our land.
Where is my twin?
I wouldn't know. But I believe if she's still alive, that nature will one day bring both of you together. And anyone with that same birthmark is your sister.
Mama, please. Please do not expose me. Else, you know I'll be killed.
I can't. I won't. Your mother was my best friend. Though I regret my actions of separating you from your sister.
Nne, come. Nne, did you hear that our princess is missing?
Who hasn't heard? Why won't I hear? Am I not in this village? It's everywhere now. Do you know that what surprises me more is that nobody knows her whereabouts? That is just what surprises me more.
I hope that she's still alive because Princess UGONWANYI is nice and very kind.
Yes, so she is very much alive. Please, let me go before they will come and catch you gossiping.
Who is chasing? Who is after you? Nobody's chasing me. Okay. Sit down. Sit down. Nothing is chasing me.
Okay.
But I came to ask you a question.
What question?
No, it was 2 days ago. I was in my farm collecting some herbs. And I came out. I saw a beautiful princess lying unconscious in my farm. I looked deeply. And then I realized that she is the princess of our Hanse kingdom.
Princess of our Hanse kingdom?
Yes, mother.
My child, do not have anything to do with her. Ohanze Kingdom are our nightmare. Please.
Mother, it's too late. Because as we speak, the guards came to take her to the palace.
That's good. Very well then. Let her go.
No, mother. That's not the issue.
And what is the issue?
Mother, as they were dragging her along to the palace, I saw this exact birthmark I have here. Saw it on her left, exact place.
Same birthmark?
Yes, mother, yes.
Gods of our land, help me. Help me, please. Just help me. Let my wife deliver safe and sound. Please, gods of our land, I call on you. Let my wife deliver safe and sound. Oh. Gods of our land, I thank you. I thank you for making my wife to deliver safe and sound. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mazi.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So how is my wife and baby doing?
Your wife and the baby are doing just fine.
Mazi, easy.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
Yeah?
Let me check.
What is it? Please, check. Hey! What is it? What is it? What is it?
Mazi,
Yeah?
Mazi, there's a serious problem.
What's the problem?
Your wife gave birth to twins. Mazi.
No.
Mazi.
No!
Mazi. Mazi.
You know, it's a taboo to give birth to twin babies in this common land.
You do not need to remind me. I know.
So, what do we do?
Mazi,
what
we need to do now is look for a way to separate the both of them.
Please.
Before the news get to the villagers.
Do just that. Do just that.
I'll try my best.
Do just that.
Hi!
No. No. Oh! No. Let me join you.
She's your twin. How? I told you before now that your parents died because they gave birth to twins unexpectedly. After you came out from your mother's womb, we were all happy. And then few hours later, your sister came out. But you know the tradition of our land still stands. And I personally separated both of you because it's an abomination to have twins in our land.
Like I said earlier, this is the only best option we have. I'll have to separate the both of them. At least they'll have an opportunity to live again. Eh?
My children, you've seen the circumstances surrounding your birth. I believe with this birthmark I've given the two of you, we shall cross path again.
You have to go now. I will take this one to my brother, the hunter. Okay, stop going, please, stop.
Oh! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Fight for me! Fight for me!
What a word.
Mother.
Yes.
Please, I beg you. Okay. Please. Do not let anyone know of this. Please, let this be between two of us. Please, do not let anyone know.
I will not tell anyone. It's going to be between us.
Thank you.
Give you my word.
I have to save her. I have to save her, mother.
No! No! Come back! Come back, child! Hey! So she's still alive. May the gods be praised.
Daughter and princess of an evil soil. What are you doing in my land?
King of Nkwego Kingdom, I greet you.
Igwe, she was sent here on a mission.
No, my fathers, no.
Shut up! Close your dirty mouth! Mature, Nogi! Look at us here! Do we look like your wicked and evil father? Do we? I'm asking you!
Igwe, I don't even know why we are dawdling about. Let us just go and kill her. I want her people to have the feel of the pudding they have been feeding us with. Let them taste it. Bam! Shut up!
No! My king. My elders. We are not cowards. We are not weaklings. We the people of Nkwego Kingdom. We are one. Nice. Kind-hearted. My king, please. We will not show out our norms and culture because of what they do. Their wickedness, we will not do this, my king. Please, let the princess go. Please, my king.
Dima, even you harbor our enemy in your abode. You are supposed to be punished. But I will not believe in that you didn't know what you were doing. And as for her, I will not kill her on the condition that all our maidens are brought back to this kingdom. But if they refuse to meet these terms and conditions, I'll have no choice than to have her killed. At least we should have justice served. Guards, go lock her up.
My king.
Move it! Move!
Etu akansa kimi na ade ndina potada.
Dima, even you, my king.
What does she know about norms and tradition? Look at the way she was sounding.
This one wants to put herself into trouble.
My people. But the monkey jumped from one tree to another without falling is because the trees are close. I have just been informed that my daughter, the princess, is held hostage by the people of Nkwego. I do not know how this happened, but I am reliably informed that they are demanding that their virgins must be released to them, or my daughter will die in their hands.
No.
The great Awam festival is close by, and the virgins are needed to be sacrificed to the gods of Awam. Otherwise, we will be in calamity. And if we release the virgins, we are in trouble already. What do we do? What do we do?
I need my daughter back.
Woman, will you shut up? As you can see, I am in the middle of conversation with my cabinet. Are you sick in the head?
I am sick in the head! Yes! I am better off dead without my daughter! Why am I called a mother without a daughter? Without a child? What am I doing in the palace? I need my daughter back.
If I
King, my daughter back.
lay my hands on any of Nkwego person, I will squeeze them and take them to the mountain. I will let them know that I am the only person who have traveled to the hills of the crocodiles and survived. I will take them to the mountain of UGONWANYI and let them see the 7 seas of UGONWANYI.
Before the seas of UGONWANYI and UGONWANYI, I need my daughter back.
Woman, will you keep quiet?
I will not keep quiet a bit. Sacrifice me in place of the virgin and get my daughter back.
Blood will flow.
No.
Blood will flow.
No, Kimberly. Become a hero. Because we know what you can do. Please don't.
I have come to see the face of one of those that have been giving us sleepless nights. The gods have delivered you to us. I don't know why my father delays in sending you to your ancestors. Do your people not have any conscience? You have made our land unbearable for our virgins. I hate your people. I hate everything that comes from that place.
She is here to save us on a mission to do what is right. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere nwa ka kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka kere ife ọ ga-abụ. You can't stop her. You can't stop her at all. She's on a mission to save lives. You are blessed by the gods. She's a blessed child. Opuliche na nwa. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka kere ife ọ ga-abụ. The journey is far, but she's ready to sacrifice. Iwedi ya nobi ono majuru ya ruo obolo maka mmegbu. She fights like tiger, she fights like lion. She's strong and mighty. She is here to save us, here to do what is right. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere nwa ka kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka kere ife ọ ga-abụ. You can't stop her. You can't stop her at all. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka kere.
I'm hungry. I need food.
You know what? Make me happy, and I will make a perfect meeting tonight.
Leave me alone.
Can't you help us?
Of course, I can help you. Have a taste of me, and I will make you happy in the end. Okay? Come. Come close.
Don't you have a sister?
My friend, will keep quiet. If I hear them,
somebody will die here.
Keep quiet! I said quiet! Now wake her up!
don't mind them. I know their plans. They want us to come in there so they will strangle us. But their plan has failed.
Quiet!
How long will you continue to be gloom? How long?
When the rain stops obstructing my tears. When is my little girl coming home? Iwe, this is so unbearable. You have to do something. I hardly slept.
Do I still need to remind you that I fought the people of Okwefrike and I won? They are the ones that are most stubborn, even to the marrow. You knew that I won. I single-handedly fought and won the people of Agudebu. You knew about it. What makes you feel that in this battle I will not win?
You fought with might. Your might spread all over the 7 kingdoms and seas of this earth. I acknowledged, and on that note I married you. But now I question, what is might without peace?
That the bamboo tree is whistling and the rhythm of the wind is because they are in accordance. I've told you to calm down. Our daughter will return soon.
How soon?
Very soon.
What am I going to do? My daughter's life is at stake. She is the heiress to the throne of my fathers. If I send back the virgins, that one festival is by the corner, and we cannot get 15 virgins before then. Time is not on our side. This is a critical time for me. Because of my ancestors, bring me out of this.
Greetings, my prince.
Who is that singing?
Oh, it's the princess. She's singing in the cage.
Obodo mama makamunagi. Obodo chonjo makamunagi. Ndi obodo mama makamunagi. Onye ọbụla tinye aka ga-edozi obodo anyị. Obodo mama makamunagi. Obodo chonjo makamunagi. Ndị obodo mama makamunagi. Onye ọbụla tinye aka ga-edozi obodo anyị. Obodo mama makamunagi. Obodo chonjo makamunagi. Ndị obodo mama makamunagi. Onye ọbụla tinye aka ga-edozi obodo.
What do you think you're doing? Sleeping on duty? Now listen, you're a warrior. Be brave! Be brave!
I want to go. What have we done to you?
Shut up! Can I hear your voice again?
She is here to
Don't you greet your elder? How do I address that greet? Are you a man or a woman?
What do you mean by that? Ah! Ah! Hi! Hi! Somebody help me!
You can't stop her.
Ah! Somebody help me!
You can't stop her.
Ah! Somebody help me out! Ah!
She's on a mission to save lives. You are blessed by the God.
Father, have you heard from the people of Ahanze?
Have they accepted our proposal? Or as usual, are they still being heartless?
Well, the people of Ahanze,
Greetings, Igwe. May you live long.
what happened to your son?
Greetings, Your Majesty. My prince and my queen. May you live long. Igwe, look at my son's face. Dimma just beat him up.
Dimma,
Dimma.
what is wrong with that girl? Why is she always beating people up? Does she train all day just to beat men up?
Please, you better do something about this. Please, help me.
No. Sorry about everything. Don't worry, take your son home.
Sorry.
Thank you, Igwe.
Sorry. Your Highness, this girl amazes me.
Imelike, go and bring Dimma for my presence.
Let's go.
She's getting out of hand.
I think so myself.
You were going to tell us about the people of Ahanze.
Yes. The people of Ahanze
Search everywhere for her.
What do you want?
Igwe needs your presence in the palace.
Okay, fine. You may leave. I'm right behind you.
You're leaving with us immediately.
Now move now!
Move!
Dimma,
Okay.
Are you a sadist? How come you go beating people here and there?
My king, everyone knows that since I left my foster parents, I stay on my own. Even before they died. Yes, I do not know my biological parents. But that does not give Nnamdi the right to call me a bastard before my face.
He did that? That is not right.
You can imagine.
Well, sorry about that. But I need you to remember that you are a woman.
Thank you, my king. My king, I wanted to come and see you before you asked for my presence. I want to go and rescue our maidens from the unhandsome people.
Dimma, are you joking? Do you know what you are saying? You want to go and die?
I won't die. The gods of this land will protect me. I will go and will come back safely. But my king, please, when we go and come back, I beg of you to please allow the princess to go back to our people. Please.
You just met the princess. Why do you care this much about her? Huh?
My queen, you're right. Princess UGONWANYI is not in support of her father. If she had her way, she will stop all these things from happening. But I believe if the king goes to join his ancestors, she will stop it. Yes, I am not supposed to do what I'm doing for her. But this few days we bonded so well. And I'm only doing this for her. My king, I beg of you, please.
You have my word.
Thank you. Let's take my leave.
Father, you are sending her to her death.
But she asked for it. My people,
Your Majesty.
It is said that when urine is splashed together, it forms. The one festival is by the corner. We have 15 virgins to offer as the custom demands. The princess of this kingdom, my daughter, is in captive. I summoned all of you here because I know this is a hard time, difficult to deal with. I cannot make decisions all by myself. What do we do?
Your Majesty, this is a critical issue. It has given me a sleepless night. I must tell you the truth.
Your Majesty, to be honest with you, since they have made a demand that we must release those maidens
before they release our princess, I think we should release those maidens. Because the life of our princess is more important than the life of a million non-royal. Bam bam. Yes, I support you.
And what type of suggestion are you giving? I mean, what type of advice are you giving? You of all people. You know the calamity that will befall us if we fail to offer those virgins. Moreover, the Hour Festival is coming. It's fast approaching, just by the corner. We cannot return those virgins. We cannot return them because it's by the corner. What type of advice are you giving? Are you now telling me that we have to abandon our custom and tradition for singular interest? Is that what you are insinuating? The custom and tradition of our land demands that they must be used for sacrifice. And that is where I stand.
So, you are telling us now that the princess should be killed.
That is not what I said. That you have to watch your mouth. Watch your tongue.
Stop that! What are you saying? Tell us what you are saying.
You know what made me single? You know what made me single? The custom and tradition of our land must stand.
Okay, now advise us. You should advise us the next thing we should do.
That is what I'm saying. Let our custom and tradition stand. Simple as that.
We cannot move backward, we have to move forward.
Yes.
Whatever happened to you, you are not royalty. We are talking of the princess of this land.
Yes!
And her life is worth millions of those maidens. Let us return those maidens and bring back our princess.
Bam!
That's what we are saying.
Oh yes! I stand by the custom and tradition that we must not return those maidens. We cannot return them.
Dimma, our brave warrior.
My prince, greetings.
Why have you asked to see me privately?
My prince, please, I want to make a request of you.
I am listening. Dimma, what kept you so long?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please hurry up. My father must not find out I'm doing this.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Princess, go on. Shh.
Hold on. Dimma, what are you doing here? How did they let you in?
The prince helps me.
Oh, the prince.
Yes. I brought you food.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Princess, I came to tell you that I want to go on a rescue mission to your land to bring back our maidens.
No! No. They will kill you. Don't try it. No.
You do not know what you mean to me. You don't know how much you mean to me. I will do anything for you. And you're the reason why I'm doing this. I just want you to give me the directions to your place on how to get to where they are.
Dimma, if I had one request of the gods, it would be for them to lead you and keep you for me.
See, they will.
Dimma, I would never forget you.
It's nothing.
And I will forever celebrate your braveness till eternity.
Thank you. Please.
You are my warrior and my hero. Thank you.
It's fine. Please, one more thing. What? You have to help me give the prince the address on how to get to where they kept our maidens. The cage in your kingdom.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
You know how to get it to me.
I will.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you so much.
I love you. Go, okay? Go, hurry, go. I don't want them to catch you. Dimma, please be safe.
people of Nkwegu killed my parents because they gave birth to twins. I do not wish to help them. But my sister UGONWANYI is all I have left in this world. I wish there was another way out of this. Why do we have culture that are dehumanizing and humiliating? Are cultures not meant to add values to us as a people other than hurting our being? Gods of our land, please take me through this journey and bring me back. He said, you can't stop her, you can't stop her at all. She's on a mission to save lives.
Those ones, they are the big ones. You sell them at a higher price.
Yes, but I will sell the big ones and buy the small ones. We need to eat now. I hope they have seats.
Yes.
Now, chill the corn. I'll do it.
You are back.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Papa,
Yes.
I heard that Dimma is going to rescue the virgins at Onhanze.
Yes, you heard correctly, son. And I pray that the gods of our land will lead her there and bring her back.
Who does that girl think she is? Is it the local strength she's throwing around the village that will help her rescue the virgins? Anybody who loves her should go and tell her to be careful before she dies there.
Mama, is it because she beats me up? We pray the gods lead Dimma and bring back my sister for us.
That's what we are praying for.
They can kill her there and bring my daughter back. I don't have any business with her.
Why do you have to say that?
Why would she beat up my child in that manner? See, this one, there are no big ones anymore. We are cooking this one. This one, I'll take them to the market with the
Take
corn.
these ones inside. Can you hear that town crier?
People of Nkwegu village, listen and listen carefully. The king has ordered that everyone gather at his palace tomorrow by sunset. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
I think this is all about Dimma's issue they want to discuss.
Yes, Papa. The gods have answered us.
Let it be. If they like, let them kill her. I don't care. Let's prepare this thing before the market closes. We need to go and sell.
Take this one to the kitchen.
No, yeah, take this one to the kitchen. Bring something for me to put these ones there for sale.
Okay, Mama.
You know you are the only mother that I know. I came to tell you that I'll be going on a rescue mission to bring back our maidens from our Hansa kingdom.
My child,
May
the gods bless your kind heart and your braveness.
Ise.
May your journey bring you peace. May your journey be fruitful.
Ise.
May the gods of our land protect you.
Mama, please. I am not going on this journey because of this land. They do not deserve anything good from me. And Mama, you know why?
No.
I am only doing this for the sake of my twin and nobody else.
It's all right. Go well.
Where did you say you brought this child from?
Nai, it's a long story. And like I said before, all I want you to do is take this child, keep her, Treat her as though she were your own. And in due time, I'll tell you the story behind the child. Don't worry. She will be here with you for a very long time.
Nne, please. I hope this child will not bring us problem in my family. Please.
You have nothing to worry. This child is just peaceful. All I want you to do is take good care of her. And that's all.
Okay, no problem. If you say so.
I say so.
No problem. Night.
Take the child inside.
Thank you. You see? It's peaceful.
Take her inside.
My brother, thank you very much. Thank you.
What can I say?
Okay, okay. Where are the twin babies?
Oh no. Please. I beg in the name of the gods of Allah. Please. I beg you.
We gave you 7 days to bring those children.
Oh no, please.
You know, twin babies are taboo in our land.
No, please.
Guards!
Please.
No. Take them inside.
Hey, oh no.
And burn this house.
No. Gods of Allah.
Don't do this.
Gods of Allah.
Hey, please. Hey, oh no.
Take them inside.
Hey, oh no.
Burn this house down.
Oh no, have mercy. Oh no, have mercy. Hey, oh no. Oh no.
You are a destined child.
And I've been through a lot.
Papa, your husband and his people will be coming here tomorrow to carry out the traditional rite.
Papa, I cannot marry that old man. No. Ha! Papa, I will not marry that old man. No. Ha! Papa, if I was to be your own biological daughter, will you give me out to that kind of old man that is old enough to be my grandfather? I will not marry that old man, though. I will not marry him.
Dimma, don't talk back at us like that. After what we have done for you all these years, you cannot still listen to us? What did you mean? Nai, can you imagine? The girl you were busy lavishing your money on. Look at the way she's talking to you.
Papa, Mama, I will not marry that old man. I will soon die. I will not marry him, or I will not.
Dima, come back here. I say come back here.
Nai, you see what you have caused?
Caused what?
Look at the way she's talking back at you. Very wrong. Look at what you have caused. This is all your fault.
And that journey seems very far. Very, very far. Mama, I have to go. And I hope you'll be at the palace today, as instructed by the king.
I will.
See you soon, Mama.
See you soon, my daughter.
I gathered you all here because of the decision made by one of our adopted daughters. I mean, the foster daughter of the greatest hunter of our time. Her name is Dimma. She has decided to go on a rescue mission of our maidens in Ohanze. Dimma, we are proud of you. And so before you embark on this journey, make sure you go to the shrine so that the chief priest will fortify you. It is most expected that you are going to encounter some difficulties and obstacles as you journey to Ohanze Kingdom. And as for your request concerning the release of Princess UGONWANYI, consider it done. And I want you to know that my Lolo and I have decided to adopt you as you return successfully from this journey. You shall become the princess of Ukegu Kingdom. This day, you shall journey to rescue our maidens with success. Our ancestors shall go with you. Yes, they shall return with you. And your journey shall bring us joy. You may rise.
Thank you, okay.
She's on a mission to save lives. She's a thorn on your flesh. She's a blessing.
Your king thinks that he can frustrate me by holding on to my daughter. If only he knows how I hate him and your people. And your people, he will not dare touch my princess. But before then, before I kill the entire people of Nkwago, I will start by you, one after another. Only then you will know that I am not just a king ruling a kingdom. I am a king ruling an empire. A warrior. To the boundary where the people of Nkwago will see her and know that I am out.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You see that girl? She thinks she can dance more than me. I will show her that I am the queen of dance. In this village, you will not disappoint me. I must win. I must win. She does not know. I will show her.
kind of a man are you? I'm asking you. Why are you so inhuman? How could you kill that virgin maiden? You didn't even consider what they will do to my daughter in retaliation. Listen, if anything happens to my daughter, be ready to plan my own funeral. You're making me regret the day I agreed to marry you. In all your might, you don't have a heart of human. Our daughter is missing. Just know that. Please bring my daughter home.
I won't take further words from you, woman. The last time, be quiet!
I need my daughter back home.
The people of Ukegu are peace-loving people. We are not as dastardly as your people. If it were to be in your kingdom, they would not have given us the opportunity to express ourselves. But now I'm giving you the opportunity to tell us your mission in this kingdom.
Good people of Nkwegu Kingdom, I greet you. I apologize for everything we have done to you. Offering of virgins during their womb festival is one tradition I have always kicked against. But what can I do? If it were in my powers, I would have put a stop to it. But I'm not here to claim innocence. I'm here to plead. Do not kill me.
You are a pretender. Just pray that Dimma comes back from that journey.
What is it?
Say something. What?
We saw the body of Hebibe. One of the kidnapped ladies. From this room.
Wait.
Wait. Which of them are you talking about? Hey, Igwe! I'm finished! I am finished! You can make for me! I'm finished! Can you see the pain and agony that you have caused my people? You will not go free. You will not go free. Father, please, don't kill her. Father, she's the only bait we have to get our maidens back. Yes. Please, God, go and lock her up. And before you do, make sure you give her 100 strokes of the cane. Move it! Stand up! Move! Stand up!
Did you know that my father's family? Tell me, I'm very happy.
Get up. Take this. Keep it safe. It can only be used to fight mortals. And when you get into the evil forest, do not look back. Do not take anything from anyone. And do not speak to anyone. The gods shall protect you. Omele, ndi bani omele, anya alawale. Gwogwo me, ndi bani omele, anya alawale. Omele, ndi bani omele, anya alawale. Omele, ndi bani omele, anya alawale. Go, my daughter. Omele, ndi bani omele. mele, ani alawale. O mele, ndibani o mele, ani alawale. O mele, ndibani o mele, ani alawale.
Please. What's up, our land?
UGONWANYI, I'm very sorry about the flogging. I know you must be going through a lot of pain right now. But you have to stop crying and put yourself together. Although your father and your people are not helping matters, from the time I have spent with you, I agree that you do not deserve to die. Remember, Dimma has put her life on the line to make sure that you leave here alive. The least you can do is to be strong for her.
Oh, Dimma. Your good heart will bring you back.
Ise, please stop crying. If you need anything, or you need someone to talk to, just send one of the guards to fetch me and I will come immediately.
Thank you.
else you will be killed.
The cloud is dark. Hey, your heart is like devil's heart. It will be tienazo. Omwanye basundu na so you saw yeah. Ogeni kameragio.
Gods of our land, please protect Nina wherever she is.
She is here.
I need you all to pull yourselves together. By the leading of the gods, we'll get to our land successfully. Now, listen to me very carefully. I repeat, listen to me very, very carefully. We are approaching the dreaded forest of Odumegu. The most dreaded forest of Odumegu. As we approach, do not talk to anyone. I repeat, do not talk to anyone. Again, do not speak to anyone. Do not take anything from anyone. And do not look back.
Dimma, please. Let's sleep here and continue tomorrow morning.
Did you just say sleep?
Yes.
You want us to sleep here? You want them to catch up with us? Me, I want to go. I can't stay here. I want to go.
Ha. This journey is too far. If I have my way out here, I will go back. Because if the Ohanze people catch us, we are finished. That is why we have to keep moving. Loma, if you want to go back, please, go back. I'd rather die here than to go back to that dojo.
Anyways, you all can rest here now. You can sleep now.
On a mission to do what is right. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere nwa ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. You can't stop her. You can't stop her at all. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. She's on a mission to save lives. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. You are blessed by the gods. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. She's a blessed child. Ọ pụrụ iche na nwa. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. The journey is far, but she's ready to sacrifice. Iwe di ya n'obi ọnụma juru ya ruo, ọ bụrụ maka mmegbu. She fights like tiger, she fights like lion. She's strong and mighty. She is here to save us.
Norma, Norma, wake up. Chioma, Chioma. Wake up, let's go, wake up, let's go. Stand up, get up. Stand up. Up, let's leave. Let's leave now.
She's on a mission to save lives. She's a thorn on your flesh. She's a blessed child. Opuliche na nwa. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ.
Move back.
Chikra! Chikra! Do you see anyone? You see anyone? No! Mba! Mba, wake up! Mba, I say wake up! Wake up, Mba! Mba, wake up and tell me, how come you allow the burden of Mwagu people leave this soldier? I say wake up! Mba, do you know the consequences of what you just did? You allow them to escape! Mba, I swear with my axe, if you come back to your next life, I will take your head off your body. Let's move.
You can't stop her. You can't stop her at all.
Take a rest, take a
She's
rest.
on a mission.
Take a rest.
Mission to save lives. You are blessed by the gods.
I'm thirsty. I need water.
Okay.
Yes. Please, can you help me with a cup of water? I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I need water.
I want you! Inside!
I was thirsty. I needed water to drink.
Let's go! This way!
The journey is far, but she's ready to sacrifice.
When the eaters of the vulture are gathered, the rafter of the gods are brought down to the platter. Let's walk out the route and our one festival is fast approaching. We all know about it. We have 7 virgins already waiting to be sacrificed as the culture demands. But there are other items that need to be here before that one festival. I've called Ataka, the palm wine tap.
How is that even possible? How is that even possible? How? Atako,
Atakpo. Mmiri ala ụwa nne m, mmiri ala ụwa m. Ihe ri ọba. Ọgụ bụ ihe iri ọba ife dị n'ime ya. Mmiri onye a ga-ebu eme. Azụ ụgbọ na n'ife osimiri nne. Mba ka na-agbala agụ, anya fụrụ agụ na-agba ọsọ. Anya dị afọ ntị. Ya fụrụ ọgwụ ka egwu ọrụ m ya ka ife leme ndị ọrụ. Azụ ụgbọ na n'ife osimiri na-ekwu. Ọsọ dị achụ nwa n'elu. Maka na nne mụrụ ya n'elu. Ọnwere nnukwu mmadụ bụ nnukwu mmụọ. Nwanne ọzọ na-asụ ụzọ alụ. Atakpo. Atakpo. Manike! Your Highness. Take other guards with you. In search of them. Search anywhere necessary and bring them down to this palace. You bring them here or your heads without the bodies. Leave my presence now.
Your Highness, move, let's move.
She is here to save us on a mission to do what is right. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere nwa ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. You can't stop her. You can't stop her at all. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. She's on a mission to save lives.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I can't continue. I'm very tired. I'd rather die here than to go to the front and still die. I'm tired. I'm tired. For once, you have to destroy.
Are you the only one here?
See, listen. We have to move fast. We can't afford to stay here another night. It's dangerous.
You have to stay back. Since you said you can't continue.
You see, our festival is in 7 days. And we do not have any virgin to sacrifice to. Huh? If we don't do anything about it, that will be dangerous. And come to think of it, our princess, we don't know her fate. Whether she's still alive or dead. Huh?
Odechi, I greet you all.
Queen, you are welcome.
I have a confession to make.
Which confession?
See, you don't need to worry. According to your mother, the midwife is a blind woman. And for the safety of our unborn child, you must visit. All I know is that the gods of this land will see you through the level, and you'll return safely back to the palace of my fathers.
You see?
The gods are already waiting.
Thank you, my king.
Go.
Hey, gods of our land, please help me, help my daughter. Oh. Hey, let this one stay. Hey. This is the first time she's passing through this. I want her to give a child to her husband. Oh, gods of our land, please help me. Hey, remove this persistent agony from us. Hey. God, oh, please. Oh,
Isn't it my daughter? Henceforth, this child belongs to you. We know how many times you have lost your child at birth. This is the fourth time. I'm not happy about that. And I want us to save your marriage. Let this secret be just between me and you. Eh? I don't want any other person to hear it. Not even your husband or your friend. And as that of your maid, I have killed her. Yes. To save our secret.
I will forever love this child. She will suck my breast and get all the love the child will forever need from a mother. I will name her UGONWANYI.
Pride.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Anything for my daughter.
But Mama, what do I tell the Igwe about my maid?
What's any story I'm telling you? All he needs is a child. And you have gotten a child. No worry further. First of all, where?
So I should carry her inside and breastfeed her.
Oh, Manitaro. Start your work at once.
Hey! Oh! Oh! Oh, you mean I don't have a child of my own? Oh! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty!
Woman! Hey! Don't touch! Have you forgotten the tradition? Do you know the consequences of touching the sleeping king? Or do you want to commit another sacrilege? Live here for now. Live here for now. Why are you crying? You have killed him. You have killed him, Igwe.
Hey!
I said,
a great Irogo has fallen. We must cut the Ayaka immediately.
I said it.
Hey! Aluo!
I said it! Arume!
Hey!
Ezemo, you said you have a message from the gods.
Yes, my king. The gods have demanded for a royal sacrifice. They say that's the only way out of these operations and intimidations from our enemies. My king, if this is done, peace will be restored in this kingdom.
Eyes of the gods, do you know what you're saying?
My king, the gods have spoken. I'll take my leave.
You don't need to hide it. I'm aware that by sunset, I'll be taken to Nkwegu Shrine to be offered to the gods. This is where tradition has brought me. Dima. I wish I could see Dima once more before I die. Who knows? Who knows if she's still alive? I can only imagine the pains and agony she'll be going through, knowing that the reason she would shake hands with death is no more. My prince, please help me tell Chidima that I love her. Tell her I love her. Dima, I know I'm so worried about you, but I trust you. You're a strong woman, you're a warrior, you're a lioness, you're a nice person, a beautiful soul. Dima, please return in peace. Please, come back in one piece. I'll be waiting for you. Dima, Natawa, Natawa, Natawa. Dima, Natawa, Natawa, Natawa. UGONWANYI na-echegi Dima, nne Natawa, Natawa, Natawa n'udo. Dima, Natawa.
Quiet! Go! Run! Run!
She's on a mission to save lives. You are blessed by the girls. She's a blessed child. Ọpụliche na nwa. Mmasị Chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. The journey is far, but she's ready to sacrifice. Iwendi ya nobi ono majuru ya ruo, obono maka mmegbu. She fights like tiger, she fights like lion. She's strong and mighty. She is here to save us, here to do what is right. Mbasi Chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi Chukwu kere nwa ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi Chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. You can't stop her, you can't stop her at all. Mbasi Chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. She's on a mission to save, on a mission to do what is right.
You are indeed a hero. I am blessing God. And I know that the entire kingdom is proud of you too. Although we lost some ladies because of the rescue, at least you brought smiles to the faces of those families that have their children here. And again, the Ohanze people now know that we're just humble lions and not weaklings. As I promised, henceforth, you are now a member of the household.
Igwe, my elders, thank you. It's such an honor and a great privilege to be made a royalty today. I'm humbled. Igwe, we all know the singular reason why I embarked on this journey. Please, kindly release Princess UGONWANYI now.
Dima, I remember giving you my word. But the chief priest came with a message from the gods saying that I should sacrifice a little blood to bring permanent peace to this kingdom.
My king, UGONWANYI is my sister. She is from this soil. She is not royalty and cannot be sacrificed.
My king, she is right. This young maiden here has been rejected by the gods. That means she can't be sacrificed. She has the mark of a savior. Good news, my king. The gods are at peace with us. The king of Ohanze kingdom has joined his ancestors.
The gods be praised.
So we have nothing to worry about again. But one more instruction. The gods have chosen UGONWANYI to serve as Nwanyuli the seventh. And her journey starts now. Omele, Ndibani omele, ani alawale. Omele, Ndibani omele, ani alawale.
My prince, that which you seek can't be possible. For my path has been chosen, and I can't go against the wish of the gods. But Dimma is a perfect choice. She will make a better wife. Here comes my beautiful sister, Dimma. The jelly one. Or the Okonamba. My prince.
The journey is far, but she's ready to sacrifice.
Dimma, you're so beautiful.
She fights like
Thank you, my prince.
She's strong and mighty. She is here to save us.
I was just taking a walk.
To do what is right.
Ugo, please, come take a walk with me.
I would love to. But Prince Ikenna will walk with you. He has good news for you. Right?
You can't stop her.
She's right.
She's on a mission.
Would you give me the pleasure of working with you?
Of course, my prince.
My prince.
She's a blessed child.
So which way were you going?
This way.
She's a blessed child.
Okilikili kana buko sadali enu. Anya fulugo mule adafukwa nugo kwa da. Ugo buzo ochake go kwa no. Aije, ewu na aga no kwa, ima no kwa na etubo ewu.
She is here to save us on a mission to do what is right. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere nwa ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. You can't stop her. You can't stop her at all. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. She's on a mission to save lives. You are blessed by the girls. She's a blessed child. The journey is far, but she's ready to sacrifice. Inwedi ya nobi ono majuru ya ruo Obono maka mmemu. She fights like tiger, she fights like lion. She's strong and mighty. She is here to save us, here to do what is right. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere nwa ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. You can't stop her, you can't stop her at all. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. She's on a mission to save lives. Mbasi chukwu kere mmadụ ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ. She's a thorn on your flesh.